although there are some small secrets in me that prevent me from completely opening up to those around me. I still made several good friends in primary school. One of them impresses me the most. He was a very smart child, always filled with things beyond the classroom at that time. Therefore, his grades were just average. When he watched a movie about ninjas, he wanted to become a ninja. When computers first appeared in our city, he said he would become a hacker. Every day he would make up many strange stories. Probably no one else was willing to listen to his chatter except me. I accompanied him as he climbed over and crawled under a row of cement ping-pong tables at school, which he said was training to become a ninja, although I thought that even if I received so-called formal ninja training with my body coordination ability, I probably wouldn't achieve anything. I still accompanied him in this ninja game, foolishly for several years. After school in the afternoon, I often took a detour and accompanied him, all the way to the compound where he lived, listening to his random stories along the way, since he had time to watch TV at home, and his family's TV signal had many more channels than mine. He was familiar with various programs I had never seen, which further enriched his imagination. However, in addition to talking about what he saw, he preferred to make up nonsensical things, using comic-style descriptions to tell exaggerated and unnutritious adventures of anti-daily life characters, most of whom were our classmates. When listening, I cooperated by laughing so hard that I bent forward and backward, almost out of breath. After a long time, he asked me if we were close friends. I nodded.